YouTube, how you doing? Welcome to another episode of the Silver and Gold Stack Attack. Big shout out for taking some time out of your day to check out the new video, for all the amazing support, and for being the best damn community here on YouTube, without a doubt. So getting right on into it. I like to check out precious metal ads online every now and then, and I've seen some that were legit, some that were not, and some that were just flat out misleading, like this gem I found on Zuckerbook.
3 things you need to know before buying a gold or silver coin. Not all gold is the same. Smart investors and collectors trust gold and silver coins to preserve wealth. But here's the catch. Not every coin holds the same value. Here's a pro tip. Graded coins are more valuable than raw or proof coins. If you're serious about investing in gold and silver, go for something collectible, pristine, exclusive, and historically significant. Scammers are everywhere. If you don't buy from a trusted source, you could end up with a fake or worse, overhyped coin that doesn't hold its value. So don't wait. Call today before these rare coins disappear.
Right. Same old, same old. They put up a pretty face to sell you on hype and BS. So much to unpack in that ad. Anyway, in today's video, I'll dispute some points in that commercial, as well as some other types of silver that you should avoid if possible. And all that being said, let's go ahead and roll this thing. Alright, so let's go over a couple of points in that video that I'm disputing. First, she said graded coins are more valuable than raw or proof coins. Yeah, but not American Silver Eagles. One thing we have to remember is that ASEs are literally minted in the millions most years. There's nothing rare about them, even though they'll try to market stuff with labels like, I don't know, first strike, first releases, first day of issue, early release, early production.
Please just tell me what's happening to me in plain English without the mumbo jumbo.
Now, those labels might mean something to somebody out there, but when it comes time to sell your slab common bullion, you're going to find out fairly quickly that all that fancy talk is little more than a marketing gimmick to justify the cost to slab the coin. Now, if you have a numismatic coin, well, then you're talking about a whole new ball game, because this is far, far superior to this when it comes to being worthy of slabbing. The Morgan has history, silver, and numismatic value. The Eagle, well, it's got a dollar denomination, and it's a full ounce of 3/9 fine silver, and that's about it. There's nothing historical about the Silver Eagle. It's just a beautiful bullion coin that the U.S. Mint releases in the millions on an annual basis with the same design over and over again. Of course, with the exception of the reverse design change in 2021, the Morgan only has a little over 3/4 of an ounce of silver, and it's a good example is likely going to go for far more money than an Eagle with its full ounce of silver. That just about says it all. All right, next she said, if you're serious about investing in gold or silver, go for something collectible, pristine, exclusive, and historically significant. So she was holding Eagles throughout the commercial. There's nothing collectible, pristine, exclusive, or historically significant about them. And the same goes for gold Eagles. And besides that, she's going against the basic stacker's creed, which we all know is to stack silver and gold at the lowest possible cost. Look, collectibles, they're great. I definitely have my fair share of them, but to insinuate that you have to have collectible or exclusive silver and gold, to me that's just an irresponsible bit of advice to share with those who may be newer stackers. And if you are new to the game, the entire community is going to tell you these 2 things. First, establish your precious metal weight goals before you get into collectibles. Second, don't get bogged down in numismatics before you've gained a bunch of experience. Makes sense, right? All right, next she said, if you don't buy from a trusted source, you could end up with a fake or overhyped coin that doesn't hold its value. Okay, so she's unintentionally correct on this one, but unfortunately it also applies to the ad she's been paid to shill. I've been in a bunch of coin shops when folks came in to sell their slab common bullion, like Eagles, Maples, Britannias, etc., etc. And they're a bit shocked to hear that the dealer would give them pretty much the same price they would normally give for a loose or raw Eagle. In other words, the dealers don't generally care about your fancy plastic packaging unless it's a numismatic or rare coin. Key date, for example. Slab common bullion is an in of itself overhyped silver. Remember the old saying, buy the coin, not the plastic. And lastly, she said not to wait and call before these coins disappear. Yeah, okay. Silver and gold eagles aren't going anywhere, folks. Like I said just a few seconds ago, common bullion eagles are minted in high numbers. For example, in 2023, the mint released 924,000 1-ounce gold eagles, 102-ounce half-ouncers, or 102,000 half-ouncers, 198,000 quarter-ounces, and 675,000 1/10-ounce gold eagles. And in that same year, well, there were 24,750,000 silver eagles issued. Now remember, those numbers are just baseline issues and don't include the proofs or limited editions. In other words, don't let anybody tell you that gold or silver eagles are disappearing anytime soon.
I don't think so, Tim.
I don't think so, Tim.
All right, really quickly, let's go over some other silver that newer stackers should generally avoid. First, stuff like this, these TEPs, tamper-evident packaging. This is exclusive to AppMax, but a couple of other companies have started to pick up on these. You're paying for the plastic on these, for sure. End of story, no question. All right, so you want to be careful with this stuff here. Next, world silver coins, especially the 92.5 sterling coins. They're beautiful. A lot of times they're very limited, so not a whole lot of them made. I mean, this is great stuff, but here's the problem. When you try to sell this stuff, good luck. Dealers don't generally want to mess with sterling world silver. Collectible silver, like this Tudor Dragon from the Tudor Beast series. It's awesome. I mean, it's a fantastic piece of 10-ounce silver, but the premium on this stuff is incredible. This was not cheap. So, not the best silver to start on. I'm just hoping this one doesn't milk spot, being from the Royal Mint. Like I said, these are expensive. You probably don't want to start on them. All right, next we've got vintage silver, like this awesome Engelhard. These are great. But you need knowledge and experience for these because they do have a lot of premiums on them, okay? You need some experience before you get into the vintage stuff. Next, numismatics, like this Morgan. Beautiful coins. Love them. Again, you need knowledge and experience and a lot of cash for Morgans. So you got to be careful. This isn't something you start off with. Numismatics should be avoided until you've got some knowledge base and your stack is built up. And lastly, limited edition collectible stuff like these Nature's Grip bars from Pamp. Yeah, they're nice. They're beautiful bars. There's no question. These are well made. They're also $100 a piece for an ounce of silver. Terrible bargain. Terrible. So bottom line for all this stuff, it comes back to something I stated just a few minutes ago. Establish a base stack before you delve into the tougher stuff. Learn about it before you stack or collect it. So with everything I've just gone over, it sounds like I'm against slab precious metals, but here it is. I'm actually not. Let me give you just a couple of examples of slab stuff that I'm actually completely in support of. First thing is key dates or mints on numismatics, like this 1878 Carson City Morgan. Okay, I like my Carson City Morgans certified, so I do buy them on the slab. Yeah, these don't go in the album. I actually keep these separate, so that's a good example of where I would actually condone slabbing. Pre-33 gold. These, look, these are expensive. They are expensive. And I only buy these slabbed and certified because I want that reassurance. There are way too many fake pre-33s running around out there. Just a ton. It's not even funny anymore. But these are beautiful, and I just want that peace of mind that the money I've spent on them makes them real. Yeah, here's the problem. They've actually learned how to fake the slabs at this point. The pre-33 coins and the slabs. So you got to be really careful. I mean, it's like we don't have enough crap to worry about, right? Another one, legit collectibles, like this Silver Real. This is from the sunken El Cazador shipwreck. You know, that shipwreck had an incredibly huge impact on U.S. history, and I feel much better knowing that it's been certified as actually being recovered from the wreck. You know, the United States would look a lot different today had the El Cazador made it to New Orleans. Seriously. And lastly, anything that means something to me that I want to preserve, like a silver coin from a parent or a theme that I really like, etc., etc. Alright, there you have it, folks. So, what are some other silver and gold issues that you'd either recommend or advise newer stackers to avoid? Well, we've got an absolute ton of stuff to choose from out there, and it's really easy to get caught up in something that's caught our eye, even though you already know it's a risky value. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. You guys know I love going through them, so make sure you sound off. And that's going to wrap it up for this episode of the Silver and Gold Stack Attack. And if you made it this far, well, kudos to you. I'll definitely catch up with you in the next episode, but in the meantime, oh yeah, you know what's up.
What do you want to do with your life?
I want to stack.
Damn right. Get stacked. Stay safe and be well, everyone. Be sure to catch me and my silver journey next Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. for Stacker's Corner. Will be on my channel. But until then, I am out of here. Peace, folks. Have a fantastic week ahead. See you on Wednesday.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.
Oh, yes. And what was that beginning, middle, and end part again?